with you. I'm all alone in a ghost town. It's a beautiful man.
Alright, so for the smoothie base, I've used almond milk here, but you can use any milk alternative of your choice. So you need 4 tablespoons of that, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then 1 frozen banana that I've sliced up from before and just taken out to thaw for a bit. So once you have everything good to go, you're gonna pop it all into a blender and start mixing it on a low speed to get that frozen banana and the milk mixing first, and then moving it up to high to get that really good smoothie bowl texture. Now, if you realize that your mixture is a little bit too runny and not really solid enough, you want to add some more chia seeds or yogurt to thicken it up. Alright, so once your mixture is good to go, you're going to pour it into a bowl and then get your toppings ready. Now, the great thing about smoothie bowls is that you can have as many or as few toppings as you want. So here I've sliced up some fresh bananas, I have some granola, some more chia seeds, carob chips, and then some melted peanut butter that I'm going to drizzle on top. Now I'm just going to start by adding my bananas and then putting my granola to the left of them and some chia seeds to the right, and then putting some carob chips, which are basically like chocolate chips, again to the left of that, and then drizzling it all with peanut butter. Now what's great about this is that smoothie bowls literally look so good no matter what you do, so don't be scared to kind of play around with it, and the messier the better in my opinion. Alright, so once your toppings are all done, your smoothie bowl is good to go, so feel free to snap a pic for Insta before you eat it. And if you guys tried this out, be sure to let me know in the comments what you thought of it, because I always love hearing back from you guys. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys later. Bye!